pancake recipe in English. Apron, frying pan, whisk, spatula, measuring cup, measuring spoon, scales. The ingredients: 1 egg. Crack the egg. Separate the egg. Measure 40 grams of plain flour. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 45 ml of milk. Mix the flour, baking powder, and milk to make a paste. Add a pinch of salt to the egg white and whisk or blend. Gently fold the egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture. Add 1.5 teaspoons of oil to the pan and 1 teaspoon of butter. Heat the oil and the butter in the frying pan. Add 1/3 of the mixture to the pan. After 1 to 2 minutes, flip the pancake. And voila, you can add whatever topping you like.